How do you stop the sun being dazzling when you're racing? Electrostatic flocking. Yeah, man. Okay, YouTube, welcome back to the channel. So this project's going to be for Kev from Intimate Detailing in on the Wirral. He's brought some parts from his BMW track car that he's building. I think it's going to be quite a special car. It's a turbocharged 325i engine, I think. I'm not too sure, but yeah, so he's brought his plastics out the interior. So these are all literally just straight out the car. So I need to prep the surfaces, get them all degreased, cleaned, then primered, then we can start flocking them. And what we're going to do is going to flock them in a lovely like dark anthracite colour, which is a really nice shade of, it's like a shade of grey. But yeah, so let's get on with it. Okay, so we've brought the dashboard into the flocking booth. It's been fully degreased and it's had a special pre-adhesive primer applied to the surface to help the adhesive have a good bond to the surface. And I've mixed up some custom anthracite. It's our best seller. This is a 0.5mm flock. So just got to start applying the adhesive to the surface, get it rolling nice and smooth and level, and then we can start applying the flock with the electrostatic machine. So let's get it done. Right, so on the dashboard, that was a really big rush job. The customer actually came straight to pick this up the other evening because he wanted to install it into the car. So I couldn't really do like a decent walk around on that part, but the other bits, they've all been done. So the same process has been done. The A-pillars, they've had all the material removed, and the adhesive that was behind that material has all been stripped off. It's been primered and then epoxy glued and flocked. Exact same process before, same prep. Just had to have that extra procedure with the primer as opposed to the other dash. But you can see the finish is flawless. It's really nice, even shade. When you run your hand over it, and there's no bumps at all, which is the benefit of doing it all in a sealed booth. So the temperature all elevated, and so that epoxy is absolutely solid on all these parts now. So well, that's how I do the interior flocking. If you're going to get quotes and stuff from other people, don't be afraid to ask questions, because the process is really simple. It's all about the prep, and also what adhesives and pre-treatments you use on the material doing it. If you're doing a foam-backed vinyl, for instance, you don't need to use a primer on that. You just need to use a decent degreaser just to clean the surface. Then the glue will just adhere to that surface really well. But if you've got a plastic, then it's actually manufactured to be self-releasing. So you just paint glue straight onto it, it's just going to come straight back off and peel. So you need to really prep the surface. So ask all sorts of questions and make sure that you're getting what you pay for. But yeah, so I hope you like the content in this video. Again, please like, share, subscribe. The more likes I get, the better the channel's going to be for YouTube. And thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ra.